It's Hannah with WTI with this really nice pots and pan set by Homaz. So it comes with this incredible 10-piece set. You can see this huge stock pot. It is so big. It comes with these 3 extra lids on top. And then you can see it comes with a small skillet, a medium skillet, and then a nice sauté pan, and then 2 other little stock pans. Not only are very beautiful, but they work really well. It really does a nice job of getting, I had chicken and some pork chops, and it just made them this beautiful golden brown. And then when I deglazed the pan to make a sauce, it was super easy. Like the little bits left over from the chicken and pork did not stick to the pan. I'm also really glad that they are very heat resistant, so they can be used in your broiler. Also, they have the measurements here. The skillets all have this really nice hexagon pattern on the bottom, and somehow that makes them not stick. So I like it. Not only are these things super durable and very functional, but they are beautiful. I mean, check out this beautiful gold handle. It's also gold handles on the lids. And then it's just so different from any other pots and pans I've seen. It's this beautiful hammered stainless steel. If you're on the hunt for pots and pans and you are looking for durability, functionality, really good non-stick, they'll last a long time, and on top of that, they are the most gorgeous things in my kitchen right now. So, highly recommend this set. I have been thrilled with it. My son has used it. He's thrilled with it. But that's just our point of view.